Ta-da! There we go. Time to I'm done with this. Okay, time to roast this thing. Did you guess it? It's a chocolate bar. Wait, we're having some chocolate bars, chocolate pancakes. Well, it doesn't matter with the brown because some chocolates are dark brown, so I won't be worried if it turns out black, dark. Anyway. I'm fixing that. I'm fixing it. Ta-da! It's done. I fixed the crack. There we go. There we go. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Man, I think it's upside down. My snowman's upside down. I guess my snowman's upside down. Make 3 dots here. Oh yeah, it looks like a snowman. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't notice that. Definitely the nose goes like that. There we go. Time to make the hat and the arms. There we go. I can possibly make a hat. Here we go. Yay, my hat's done. Feel the weight. Ta-da! Now roast it. Well, wait. We're taking the next one. It's a worm. Wait, it's a worm. It's a wormy, squirmy, wormy. Wow. I have to wait for the snowman to cook. I hope the snow doesn't melt. I roast this thing! Oh! It got burned again! Yeah, but it's not that burned. Actually, you know I turned it off. Wait, why is it upside down? Upside down. You flipped it sideways. I did it by myself! Yay! Hip hip hooray! Woo, I got that. The next challenge is an easy peasy worm. Now I'm making the easy peasy lemon squeezy wormy squirmy. Ooh, this is gonna be easy. It's gonna be a pink worm. Wait, are all worms pink? I don't know. Inside they're all pink. Worms don't have legs. They don't have eyes. They don't have though. Well, they have a tiny mouth. This guy's mouth is closed. Oh, I'm gonna make him munching on a leaf. It looks like it looks like the head is there and this leaf has like a beak and is eating the worm. Ooh, the leaf is gonna be in a tiny puddle. Ta-da! Time to roast this thing. It's cooking time. Please don't burn Wormy. It's gonna be very hard to flip. How are we supposed to flip this thing? Wormy is done. Wee-hee! This thing's gonna roast and toast. I'm gonna flip the worm. Yeah! That's very, very, very good. Man, I like that. Hold on, we need a plate. Now it's gonna turn into a rape. It's gonna burn. Luckily the worm didn't got too burned. Let's do this go. Oh yeah. Why did you? That's just a single crack. That doesn't matter. The last thing. Wait, where's the bowl? The bowl will. Oh yeah. Drum roll, please. The last one is a unicorn. It's a unicorn. Unicorn. Well, I'm gonna wait for this.
Oh hell no!
Well, I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, and then I'm gonna do the unicorn. Okay, guys, it's the trickiest one yet. I'm gonna make a unicorn one because I do not know how to draw a pony. Time to do the unicorn horn. Gotta write a unicorn horn. Woohoo! It's done. Time to roast and toast it. Ooh, this is gonna be so easy. You just have to floop, floop. Piece of cake. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and ring